Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Islamic Alta Vista Art and Drawing Learning Program. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today I will tell you about the dye technique, how you dye on denim. Before to start, gather supplies we need: forming sheet, star stencil, marker, scissor, hot gun, bottle lid, bleach and separate bowl. First of all, take formation of flat sheet, put star stencil on it, draw it with marker and bring out scissor, cut it out. After that, put heavy layer of glue with hot gun in middle and then put bottle lid on it. Let it dry. Take a bowl, put bleach inside. Now take a stencil, put stencil inside and dip it well. After that, do stamp on denim in proper compose and align form. Let it dry. Take on and enjoy it. Thanks for watching.